Hi guys, I thought I should throw in this one to just warn you against the common errors that we see students making, and I call this Trig temptations and some notations that you need to be mindful of. The first two are the common errors. Three there, I'm talking about notation. The second one actually here is also a matter of notation. Guys, please beware. Note this. Sine alpha plus theta is not sine alpha plus theta, okay? Sine of alpha plus theta is not sine alpha plus sine theta, okay? Let's take an example. I want you to check this. If you've got sine 35 plus 40, are you going to get the same answer as sine 35 plus sine 40? Okay, are you going to get the same answer? Well, I've got my calculator with me here, and I'm going to do just that. If you are pressing the correct buttons therein, you will realize that this thing here, the left side, is 0.9659. But what is the right-hand side? Well, sine 35 is 0.573. I'll end there. And then sine 40 is 0.643. Obviously, 0.573 plus 0.643 is way bigger than 0.9. This thing here, when you add these two together, you're getting 1.216, which is not equal to 0.965, or let's say 6. So you can see clearly that, guys, that's not true. Another thing, arcsine, I have already mentioned this. This is arcsine. Arcsine, I said it's not an inverse, neither is it a reciprocal. Very, very important. We will actually talk in this video about reciprocal functions. Let me make this one clear. Sine has a reciprocal, sine theta has a reciprocal, okay? Maybe I should not use that, okay? So I'll mention the ratio here, and I'll tell you a little bit about the reciprocal, what the reciprocal is. The reciprocal for sine is the cosecant, okay, which we label or name in shorthand cosec of theta, because I used theta here. And this cosecant is 1 over sine theta. Okay? Meaning, if sine is opposite over hypotenuse, then this thing is hypotenuse over opposite. Cosine of theta has a reciprocal known as the secant of theta, or we will just write shorthand sec theta, which is 1 over cos theta. Now, cos theta is adjacent over hypotenuse. That means this is hypotenuse over adjacent. You can prove that for yourself. The tangent, or tan theta, has a reciprocal known as the cotangent, or cot theta. And this is obviously equivalent to 1 over tan theta, which now means, since, well, tan theta is opposite over adjacent, this should be adjacent over opposite. I hope you bear this in mind. There's reciprocals. We don't really talk a lot about them. We just mention them at this stage, and we will discuss this thoroughly in grade 11, I think. Now, here, this is an important notation that you must be aware of. When I have sine squared alpha or sine squared theta, that means actually sine alpha, maybe I should change the color of my pen here. That actually means sine alpha times sine alpha. That's exactly what it means, which also means sine alpha all squared. So for example, if you want to know the value of sine 30, sine squared 30 or sine 30, what you should do in your calculator, you should punch this. You should say sine 30 and then square. That's how you punch it in the calculator. Please note this. It is very crucial. It is important that you understand it. It will come and you will be confused. But I'm sure having discussed it just now with you, you will not be confused in any way. So I thought I should just throw this in, the common errors and so forth, before we discuss trigonometry on the Cartesian plane. Thank you very much. See you later.